in my neck! Pocket Theory!
What's going on, Pocket Theory? It's your main man, Suds, coming to you from my home office here in Austin, Texas. What are we talking about today? We're talking about a seam ripper. The seam ripper is an essential tool for sewing, used primarily to cut and remove unwanted stitches, to help you fix or undo sewing mistakes, and for dismantling seams when you're doing clothing alterations. It features a handle, a sharp pointed tip for picking threads, and a curved J-blade designed to cut stitches safely without doing any damage. Most seam rippers also include a small red ball on the shorter non-cutting end to protect any fabric. In my opinion, and most likely the opinion of anybody who sews, the seam ripper is an invaluable tool for both beginners and experts. This is not a hot take, it's not a bold opinion. Almost anybody who sews would agree with me on this. But this video is not for the believers. Oh, I am not preaching to the choir today. Oh no! This is for the unconverted. This is for anybody who doesn't realize how awesome seam rippers are. You're gonna learn today.
You gonna learn today.
I grew up in a household with a mom who knows how to sew. She's a fairly talented seamstress, so I grew up with easy access to a seam ripper. When it comes to seam rippers, a lot of people think it's all about sewing, and there's no doubt seam rippers are a very handy tool when it comes to sewing. The dedicated sewing area that my mom had was actually built into a closet in the house that I grew up in. Come to think of it, it was a lot like the Tinker Closet. Up above the Tinker Closet, I have my Singer sewing machine right behind my MAP gas canister. This is one that I inherited from my mom. I do have a full-size sewing kit up here. Of course, it's organized into a Vans box, and inside my sewing kit, yeah, I've got a seam ripper. In fact, check this out. I've got one still in the package, brand new, just in case you were wondering how dedicated I am to this seam ripper thing. My mom was actually a pretty talented seamstress. She can knit, she can crochet, and she can also follow a pattern and sew. She made like all my Halloween costumes, and then like my sophomore year of high school, she even sewed me clothes that nobody suspected were not bought in a store. Just from being around my mom, I did kind of pick up some skills, but I am not a high-level sewer by any stretch of the imagination. I have very limited skills. Like, I do have the sewing machine and I do know how to operate it, but I'm not super good at anything. My mom did try to teach me some of these sewing skills, and I honestly wish I had paid more attention. You got like garage-built gear who are now sewing up dope shit in their garage that we all want to buy. So I wish I had paid more attention to my mom when she was trying to impart some of this sewing knowledge. I mean, honestly, in the 80s and 90s, if I had told my guy friends that I was learning how to sew, I definitely would have heard, "You're gay." And without condemning or defending the way that we talked back then, I would just say that there was a stereotype that girls sewed and guys didn't. So take that for what it's worth. But at the very least, I did get very used to the idea of having a seam ripper available at all times. I discovered at a very early age how useful and handy having a seam ripper around is, and I have never lived without one. My whole adult life, I have kept one in my kitchen junk drawer and other areas around my house. I've been using them my whole life for a variety of tasks, and now that I am an EDC kit builder, they have even infiltrated my everyday carry lifestyle. Seam rippers are very easy to acquire, and they are extremely inexpensive. Amazon has a plethora of seam rippers available. You can get the plain red seam ripper in a 4-inch size for $4 on Amazon right now. They also have the black version that comes with a tape measure for $5. You can get the comfort grip. You can get an alternative comfort grip. You can get the grip and rip combo. You can get the flip and rip seam ripper. You can even get a fancy seam ripper with a wooden handle, or a seam ripper with a metal handle and some knurling on it with replaceable tips. I mean, that's kind of hardcore. You can get a 2-pack from a company called Dritz. You can get a multi-pack, 6 for $6. That's $1 a piece. Pretty dang good. I still use seam rippers to this day all the time. I have them stashed in various locations around my house. There's one in our kitchen junk drawer. There's one in my car glove compartment. There's one in my bathroom. There's one in my bedroom closet. And yes, there are seam rippers in a lot of my EDC kits. You think I'm playing? I'm not playing. I have a seam ripper in my main tool pouch, aka the Macro Guyver. I even have seam rippers in my other MacGyver kits. I break them down and make the handles shorter so that they fit inside these tins, and they come in very, very handy. Zip tie certified, y'all. Here in the Tinker Closet, I have 2 seam rippers. I have one up here in my little tool tray, and I've got another one over here in my Dickies mug. Left or right-handed, they're ready to grab and go. Obviously, if you guys have a sewing kit or multiple sewing kits, I would recommend that you put a seam ripper in every single one of them. Why am I so passionate about this topic? Is Singer sponsoring this video? Do I work for Big Seam Ripper? No. I just know how handy seam rippers are. I'm just trying to spread the word and make everybody's life easier. Still not convinced? Here's my top 20 reasons why you need a seam ripper. Ripping seams. Removing pockets, belt loops, or patches from clothes. If you are into altering clothing or bags in any way, a seam ripper is a perfect tool. When I first started collecting Maxpedition pouches, I actually used to remove the hook and loop panels here on the top. I would use a seam ripper for that. I would also remove the big Maxpedition tags because I just kind of thought they got in the way. And of course, I would use the seam ripper for that as well. Speaking of clothing, you can use a seam ripper to remove unwanted embroidery. I don't know, maybe you got some cool jacket from a company that you used to work for, but then they fucking downsized you right after the pandemic so they could hire somebody for less money, and they left you unemployed for a year, and you had to start a YouTube channel so you wouldn't lose your goddamn mind. Just as a random example.
Has that ever happened to you?
You can use a seam ripper to remove their crappy ass logo and keep wearing that jacket. Take that, jerks. You can also use a seam ripper to remove clothing tags, clean fingernails and manage cuticles, toothpick or dental pick. Maybe don't go from cleaning your fingernails directly to picking your teeth. Just saying. Do you live with somebody with long hair? You can also use a seam ripper to get out tangled rubber bands or hair wraps from ponytails. Remove hair from brushes. Clean off the vacuum roller brush. It's a great makeshift envelope opener. Open parcels and boxes. Open plastic packages and blister packs. Emergency tiny screwdriver. Clean hook and loop panels on your EDC gear. Clean out the cracks and crevices on remote controls and electronic devices. Car detailing, carpets, and crevices. It's a makeshift spudger tool, probe, or Apple Black Stick substitute for gadgets and gizmos. You can use it as a SIM card pin and SIM removal tool, battery removal, eating snacks, and of course, number one, emergency blow dart.
Bullshit or not?
Did I miss anything? Leave me a comment and let me know what unconventional use you've come up with for your seam ripper. As you can see, it's a fantastic little tool. It's a household goat and an extremely underrated EDC item that I think more people should be carrying. Go out and get one, if not three, today. Stash them all over your house. They're very easy to acquire. They're extremely inexpensive. Links are in the description. Until next time, think outside the box. Be creative with your gear and have fun with your EDC. This is Suds with Pocket Theory.
Run!
Carry what you want.